Uh-huh. Is your friend still in here? Weakest. Let's go. Yes, he's the weakest. Oh yeah? Okay. Is he Canadian too? Sheesh. Just wait till Coops gets a hold of that info. Guys, I messed up. I freaking messed up. I started the recording. I started the recording for the YouTube stream, and my mic wasn't on. So everything I just said did not record. I know. Oh my gosh. He's going to call eyes. Oh, it's all good. Oh, I'm hoping you guys remember everything I said. Or you know what? I'll probably most likely repeat myself tomorrow. That's funny. Okay. Let me pick this up. All right. So, okay. So now it's on. So now it's recording. Okay, we got 1 minute left on this 4 hour. Oh, I know. What was that trade about? Okay, so yeah, I agree. I agree. Simple. Actually, that's big facts. Big facts. Big facts. Okay. Yeah, it's like 12 a.m. I think. I mean, some people, I think it's 12 a.m. Some people say it's 1 a.m. I don't know, to be honest. Can this count as FVG2, but just the opposite way? Yeah, okay, so yeah, if definitely, if we just see price just completely, dump and create a gap exactly like that, or just on the other side of that, yes, it'll be an inversion. All right, bet. Yeah. Yeah. So right now, who knows? But like I said, the 4 hour just did not close at all right here. So I'm still thinking we might see some retracement, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But if it does choose to go down, I'm thinking right here, if you can see it, this is exactly where I'm thinking we see, and then we see some lows. And this is where I would want to see structure. Okay, so unless price just completely just shoots up and gets and closes above these three bearish candles, then I'll be bullish from there. But for right now, I just see retracement. Yeah, the order block indicator would be dope. It's just I mean, when you are experienced with like, and this comes in time. I'm not trying to like, you know, throw so much at you, but like in time, you'll get to identify these. Athletic, let me see if I can find an example. Okay, Athletic, you watching? Okay, bet. Let me go back to this day. Okay, so like I said yesterday, order blocks is just basically an area where a bunch of orders take place. So if I am long bias, I mean that's, if I am long bias, I'm gonna pay attention to where you see a bunch of like red candles. So when you see this certain pattern pop up is when it grabs my attention. So as of right now with this example, we see that we are going to start seeing red candles, and you're going to see 1, 2, and it could be 2, it could be 3, but that's my max, 3. And then we'll see that, right? And we'll see this mean candle, a displacement down lower. And then what the next one does is what catches my attention. If it's like another one, then it's going to be too far of a distance. And if I get my entry at the closure above, my risk is going to be quite a bit if it just happens to go lower. So it's like, 50 points just depending on my size of how I'm going about it. But as of right now with this, as we speak, we see these 3 red candles. And what the next one does starts to get my attention because we see, where's this thing? And by the way, I switched colors, so it's a lot clearer to see these indicators or my drawings. That's why I made it bright. Okay. So we see just with that, we saw those 3, and then the next one that opened up, it sweeps that low. And then it came back up because a bunch of buyers just stepped in and got it. And we usually see this kind of movement after a sweep of a low. So in this case, it's going to be this one. We see that low get swept with a big mean drop, and then it just gets bought back up almost immediately from what it looks like. I didn't see it that day, but not yet. We want to see a candle closure above this, the top of the opposing candles. When I say opposing candles, if I am long bias, when I say opposing candle, I am talking about the red closing candles. But if I'm short, I'm talking about the bullish closing candles. But for this case, we are looking for a long, and that gets our attention. So now we want to see a closure above that blue line. Okay, so it swept this. Okay, we got it, and it failed to close below it. So now we don't really anticipate any more lower unless it just, volume is like, or news that really makes it fail every single thing. But again, so now I'm thinking that the probabilities are in my favor if we get that closure. So the next one, we get it. That's a mean ass displacement. And now we get the candle closure above. So now I can usually try to, we can see about taking an entry there. If you start searching this up, people will say that you can take entries as soon as the candle closes, and then they want to go ahead. You want to put your stop loss. Yo, what up? What up? What up?
How's it going? How's it going?
And you can take your entry at the close, but in this scenario, it's scenario by scenario. It changes from scenario to scenario. That's what I'm trying to say. It changes because if you look at that, if you take your entry at the close, look how big your risk is. That's a lot. I am not okay with that. So, and the reason why you want to put it at this low is because if for any reason it decides to tap in at this point, I want the 50% of this order block to be respected. If it disrespects it, it invalidates the long idea for me. But let me do this. Let me change the color. So this is how I set it up. And dang, at the very beginning, dang, if you remember, this is exactly how I would like send my screenshots, just of this order block. If you remember, I have an order block entry. I would always do this. And yeah, so that's where it's at. This is the zone that I want to see it respect. If it goes below and closes below, it's invalidating this long idea because now it's likely to just take me out. But the reason why the stop goes below this low that got put in is because if it does decide to just pop in below and then closes back up, you're still in it. Because sometimes we know that price, I'm sure if you've been trading long enough, you know that price just tends to just fuck with you. It just tape bomb and it just like boom real quick and then comes right back up. It does that. It just happens. So we want to avoid that. We want to avoid that kind of fuckery. So our best stop loss placement would be below this low. But ideally, I would like to get an entry right there. It's at the top of this. Or if I just miss it, anywhere in be here, because I'm expecting this to be respected. But if I were to specifically choose, it would be at the top of those red opposing candles. That would be the entry placement. And it's 40 points. But if I'm doing 5 micros, that's like $400. So that's my usual risk. And yeah, we get the close and we get the entry. And then let's see where it actually picks up. Oh, shoot. I did not mean to do that. Let's see where it picks up. And oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. And then at some point, I would manage risk like right here at this resistance or at this gap fill, wick fill, sorry, right there, the first initial push. The resistance, right, the support right here, the resistance, the support right here, all these different things can be price targets just to take partials out, ensure you're in profit, and then from there you can move now that it's pushing, from there you can move your stop loss to like the 50%, because now we're really just expecting it to respect. But that comes with management. That's always from trader to trader, how you want to take your profit. Let me just press play. I'm just doing it by bar. And then a new low was put in right there. And then right there, you could just move your stop loss to right there. So now you're break even at that low that was put in. So if it decides to go up here or hit your stop loss, you're in profit. That's how you manage it. And then boom, you would have been in a profit. But that's still a solid win. Okay, and then there's another one that I saw that didn't do it. I think it might have been the one we were just looking at yesterday. Where was that one? Dang, I lost it. But for now, as far as like a successful trade to, see some profit and things like that, does that make sense, Athletic? Or nah? Yo, Athletic.
Oh, your voice keeps coming in and out, I believe.
Mine?
I don't know if it's just Yeah, like it keeps. I don't know if it's my internet connection, but I don't know.
Is that true, guys? No one said anything.
Okay. I guess it's my internet.
Athletic, did you hear anything I just said? Yeah. Either that, or if you might find another video that could explain it a little bit better. It just varies, dude. It's just experience. It's just you, time, things like that. You're not gonna get it all in one go, but okay. Well, I didn't know that. My bad, guys. No, I don't have an indicator on it. It was just me marking it out. Okay, look at this. Look at this, Cubes. So
I'm here.
it did not close above, and we weren't looking for a long entry because it didn't close above that high. And sure enough, it's retracing even more. So we'll see
Yeah.
where it wants to go. But for right now,
I think it's gonna go down to that wick right there.
yeah. So you want to wait and see it come down and build that structure. But
Yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna make some coffee and I'll be right back.
yeah. Okay, you guys want to see the trade from earlier?
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay, this was from earlier today in New York, towards the end where I was trying to go for it. Let's see. When I went for it, I really believed in this one. I did. I believed in it. But look, you can see this resistance was right there on the 15-minute. Green and red, that's created resistance. And you can see right here, I took my entry at this because to me, that was bullish as fuck. This one right here. It broke the low and then it went all the way back up. And then the next one was a bullish candle to me. It's a bullish candle if you're into pattern trading. But sure enough, it went up and we did see some profit, but unfortunately it just kept going lower and then it kept trying. I thought this right here was gonna, take us back up to at least test the level, but nope, it did not. But instead, in the last 30 minutes is when we saw this push. And look at that, we missed that. But the idea was there because then look, you can see exactly what happened. You saw it. So yeah, if we were just gonna keep going down from here, because the sellers are now in control, and according to the book map, the CVD to flip red. If we are gonna go down, I do think we are gonna come back for these lows. I think that's what it's looking like, especially if we inverse this. Can we catch a short? I mean, let's see. Let me take a closer look. Yeah, I would say levels, man. I mean, it would be nice. Don't get me wrong, but like, that's 186 points. That's a lot. With the right size, that's a lot. But you have to think about it too. Like I just said, that if this exactly how I was just going over the order blocks. These are the three opposing candles. What if we go in and then the buyers just step in and then just completely wrecks us? These are the things you have to think about, really. Because now we are testing this high that put in earlier. So what are we going to do here? Are we going to respect it or are we going to reject it? Things like that. Oh, let's go. That's dope, man. How long have you been on it? $4 days? Nice. You got to get you a dub, bro. Hopefully we can catch one. I got 25 minutes on this clock, but because Coop's got in late, I'll probably stay a little bit better longer. 5 days. Okay, look at this. Koi, look at this. Buyers are attempting to do it, so we'll see what goes on. This is exactly why we got to wait for reaction and for structure to build. Buyers are trying, so let's see if they are successful. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly why we just wait. And a new 30-minute candle is going to appear in the in 10 minutes. That's funny, dude.
All right, I just got done with my coffee. Hazelnut, boys. Hazelnut. Man, if you guys missed the morning session, how many of you guys attended morning session with me today? Holy shit. Holy shit, we were on fire. Like, talk about, like, seriously. The slogan is food. Foods never loses. Damn, dude. We took that shit down and then we took it back up.
I know, dubs. Some dubskis.
So I'm drinking hazelnut coffee. It tastes so good. It's from that Mall of America place that I drink from. Nespresso or whatever that place is. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. Kind of expensive, but it's good. But
You must drink matcha. You drink matcha.
bro, that shit tastes like ass. That does not go good with when I smoke, my guy.
Matcha.
Not go good.
That's funny. Okay, so Coobs, I was telling him, uh,
Uh-huh.
I, because yesterday's session it was 6 hours long. What I'm doing this time is instead of having to like, uh, go into it, dive into it, chop it up and stuff. What I did is I started live streaming this on the YouTube, so that way it stays on my account, so that they can go back and refer to it.
Yep. Thank you for the education. Thank you for the education. Have you guys heard of that Nespresso place? That coffee shop? Does anybody order from there? Just out of curiosity. Or am I that big of a bitch to be drinking expensive coffee?
Okay, look at this. Gold. Gold is doing a little something.
Oh, bro, what do you mean Starbucks? Starbucks is like for 13-year-olds, my guy. Drink that shit. Starbucks.
And don't tell me you drink frappuccinos.
Nah, bro. Dude, every time I think about frappuccinos, I think about the 300-pound lady when I worked at United Healthcare. Bro, she'd get like a double XL, and she was like 300 pounds. Bro, that lady, she was like chugging them, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and she thought she was healthy.
Oh my
Like
gosh.
I'm not. I swear to God, like that. It was like a fucking like those one of those big mugs. Like no offense to people who drink a lot of water if you're fat in this chat, but like it's always the fat people that have those like super fucking liter mugs. Bro, doesn't your hand hurt when you carry that shit?
Oh yeah, that's fucking wild.
I wouldn't do it. Let's just say I wouldn't do it. Yeah, probably killed with that Mountain Dew.
Real Mountain Dew. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm a long gold. I'm long gold.
NQ just looks like it also broke out of that trend, but let's take a look at gold GC. All right, long gold.
Yeah, I'm long
Let's
gold.
go. We're in.
Yes, I am gonna take the position now. Just off of this. So I think okay, so look on the left side, you see that buyers are in control. We got some hot levels above. We got some actions, transactions just up here. So I think you can go up there and grab it. We're also at the previous day high. So let's see what it does. But I'm in.
Yeah, are you targeting 218, 219? I'm assuming.
Yes. So risk accordingly. Do what you need to do.
Oh, how many of you guys attended the morning session today? Everybody?
I was in there.
That was crazy. Your stop loss. What did you say it was?
It's gonna be
200.
Yeah, it's gonna be below this below the inverse fair value gap.
Okay. Okay.
Inverse fair value gap.
Bear Valley Gap.
The Bear Valley
Yeah.
gap, bro.
Bear Valley Gap. Damn, where's everybody in the night session? Everybody drinks that night after the morning ones or what? Need people locked in. Locked in.
We need lock to be locked in.
Yeah, man. Did you see those? Did you see those cars? I spent zero down, 5,900 for that McLaren.
Oh yeah, I did see that. That's badass.
Those got sent to me today.
How was the restaurant today?
That was slow. Today was slow, probably because the cold's kicking in. College students probably have their finals coming up, quarter or semesters coming to an end, graduation. So, yeah, hopefully it'll pick back up tomorrow.
Where's not a girl? He's really in school?
I don't know. Maybe he's working with his dad at the dealership. I actually don't know.
Yeah.
Said he had a lot of to do, which
Yeah, we gotta get this. We need this inverse to be respected and shit. You took an L already, bro. How how tight was your stop loss?
Uh,
150. Jeez.
I just averaged on like 3 times, so holy shit, I'm up. Holy shit. Oh my god.
It was longs, bro. No way.
God,
Don't tell
holy
me I.
fuck.
Don't tell me I.
Holy shit.
Don't tell me I went mute for a bit or broke off.
Holy shit.
How much you up?
1200.
Let's go.
Holy shit.
Let's go, baby.
Holy shit. I'm screenshotting this right now. Holy shit. I could have good call.
Buyers are still here, so we just need to see it. I mean, both.
The average like 5 when I saw it coming down, I was like, fuck, I gotta cover down. Holy
Let's go. So perfect picture. If we can get some major follow through here, this is what I'm looking at, as far as like.
Let's go. Up 1455. 1505. All right, and then we're gonna target right here. Wow, that's 3,855. Holy.
It's gonna be this gap. It's gonna be that gap right there.
Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. Push it up.
Let's go, baby. Look at the buyers are coming in.
22.5.
Cool, you still in this?
Oh my god, what a perfect average on like 50 million times. Holy shit.
Let's go.
Yep.
Buyers are increasing.
We're gonna make 4 grand off this. We're making 4 grand off this. Yep. We're doing it. Back to back wins, baby.
If there's an inverse, I'm forced to take it. No questions asked. Now the question is, again, if we start seeing like good profits, make sure you are taking partials.
Okay, I'm gonna take a partial.
You know, manage your risk, move your stop loss, things like that.
Let's go, baby. W's in the fucking chat. Wow. W's in the morning, W's at night. We're back in this bitch. Let's see. Now, let's say hypothetically it gets to where your entry got at, break even. You just cut your trade, right, for this? It'll play out.
So I just let it play out, dude. I mean, that's the point of like what the time I spend looking at what works or the probabilities are in my favor. I just stick to it. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Just like the other day, what was it? It was like Monday. We were sitting at my entry for quite a bit to where I almost even got stopped out, but I wasn't gonna, get out of it. Cause if I got out of it and then you saw how much it pumped, I was gonna be more upset at that than me actually taking the loss. So if it's at break even, okay, that's, it's part of the game. Weakest. Are you into maple syrup too? As a matter of fact, how long? Nah, how long have you been in here? The Discord. Few weeks. Nice.
How'd you hear about us? All right, good thing I didn't sell. Good thing I didn't get out.
Okay, let me clean this up just so we can see it.
Oh, Franklin. You're right back. I just need to use some of this room.
Yeah. me clean this up just a little bit. Yeah, a bull flag for sure. It's definitely flagging. Like I said, this is more so for NQ, but like, okay, look, even for this, it flipped green. Yeah, we saw a mean ass pump, but now the question was like, are the buyers gonna stay here? Are we gonna see even hires? Even buyers keep us up here, or was it just gonna fail? On the hour, on the 1 hour, it's 1:30. I'll look at it right now. Okay, that's gonna be a 1 to 2 right there. That's the 1 to 2. So now we want to see it just push and continue. So this was literally just off of this inversion. Everything that I post, screenshots, it's always gonna have one of these, an inversion. It's what I look for. It's the reason why I enter a trade. And it's flagging, exactly. Yep. Let me just, 30. The 1 hour, it's flagging. So I'm still bullish. But now the question is, you guys have been with me since I started posting a lot more. You guys have been with me. Are we going to be early? Or are we going to get this right now? That's the main question now. Okay, we're in a trade, so let's see. Let me put some music on now. Now we just chill. We just wait. Okay. $475? Sheesh. Hell yeah, bro. What was your position size? Damn, bro. Posted that in profits. That's dope, bro. That's badass. Can you guys hear that? Sheesh. Let's go. Let's fucking go, bruh. Koi just made some money. He made 475. That's badass. 2 points, yeah. Post that in profits, bro. Minus 40. I'm still in it too. I have I'll show you guys right now. I'm still in this. On my, I'm up $80 so far. 4 micros. So yeah, like I said, we're just hopefully we get some follow through here. Wait, can you guys hear the music? Did you guys answer? Loud? Okay. There we go. Nice and chill. Okay, another thing too to keep in mind, the way I manage. Huh? Nice. The way I manage my trades, at 1-to-1, I pulled this out just so I know like where the 1-to-1 is. As soon as it reaches up here, which is gonna align to this high, is when I'm gonna take partials, or I'll just go break even. If not, until then, I'm just holding. So it's either the 1-to-1 or my stop loss. No way. It's all good, bro. The way this is going, we should see some follow through. You should see some green in a bit right now. Yeah. What's up? What up? Dude, it was it was literally because I was playing Call of Duty Mobile and I saw somebody and I saw the name. I think his name was like Ice Pick. And I was like, wow, that's actually kind of funny. So I said Ice Bag. And then I just stuck with that. So that's just all it was. It wasn't because the whole reason why I'm on Discord was because I was playing a lot of Call of Duty. That's how I ended up here. And then now I'm here. Yeah. It was for a long time, yeah. No, not really, man. Okay, Athletic, you should be green, right? You have to be green. Let's fucking go, bro. 200, let's go. Fucking dang. Let's get you fucking passed, my boy. Look at this. It's about to hit 1-1. I'm up $232 right now. 800, bro. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Continuation now. We got to see follow through here. Okay, I'm definitely tempted to kind of de-risk here. This is such a nice push. If we slowly made our way up, okay, I can probably let it go. But because of this is a 6-point move. That's a lot. I mean, you guys are naming $800, 300. That's a lot of money. So I wouldn't want to see this flip red and just, you know, take all that away. So, oh, there's my alarm. Okay, but I'm de-risking. My stop loss is now 41.98.5. Yeah. Oh, let's go. I'm holding it. At 1-1, I'm going break even. At 1-1, I'm going break even. That's 42.04 and 1. Fuck this, dude. I'm taking it partial, dude. This is way too fucking good right now. I'm taking it partial. I'm selling one. I'm selling one right here. Okay, I got three. Okay, I'm in three still. I'm in three still. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go, bro. Yeah, exactly. Again, take partials how you see fit. Manage your own risk. And yeah. William, where were you, bro? Come on, baby. Let's go, bruh. Let's go. 1-1. I'm taking another partial. I'm going break even. I'm break even. Officially risk free. This is a risk free trade. Risk fucking free, bro. Okay, so then look at this. Like I was telling you guys earlier. I mentioned this earlier. I would want this daily gap. It's on the daily chart. We still have, oh shit. Let's go. At the daily, we still have a little bit of this daily gap to fill. So that's my final TP as of at the moment. And then we will see where we're at then. But for right now, that's where I'm planning on getting out with my runners. That's where I want my runners to go. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. So look at that. 42,229. 4,229.7. remember, I am risk free, so my stop loss is at break even. You're in GC, you should be up a lot more. Yeah, don't let anybody tell you that there's no opportunity in fucking Asia. If there's a setup, there's a fucking setup. It's simple as that. Yeah, man, after this one, wherever we end up, I got to see where there's structure before I think about entering again. But let me take this opportunity again to point this whole thing right back to this simple inverse. That's all we saw. That's all I saw. We got in. Koobs is fucking up $6,000. Koi is up 500. Dang is up what? 300 bucks? Show Mr. Guy. Oh, let's go. You hit your 1500? Let's fucking go, bro. 1300. Oh, you're on a 100K. Oh yeah, you had to have made your fucking loss back from earlier, right? Which one of you was saying that? I think one of you guys said that. Let's go. Oh yeah, dang. I think somebody else said too. Weakest, bro. You've been quiet. Are you in this? Let's go, bro. Look at this shit run now. Come on now. $200? Heck yeah, bro. Again, you can either let this run. The runner's there to run. So if you have a runner, if you're down to a runner, just you can hop off or just go have dinner, things like that, because the runner's there to run. Three right now? That's fucking dope. I'm down to one. Yeah, this is beautiful. Beautiful fucking trade. Let's go. Let's fucking go. You're up 600? That's a lot of money, dude. That's awesome. Okay. I'm probably going to call it here at the, for me, it's about to be 8. So I can go eat dinner too. But I'm gonna let this. I'm just gonna wait for the top of the hour right here. Yeah, like I said, Athletic. There's a ton of info, bro. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as I possibly can, but I know sometimes it just might sound like gibberish. But I started futures in January, but I've been trading options or tried trading options in since 2022, and this to me, it just comes in time. I know. But she's gonna come back with like $2,000 winner. Watch, and no call out. Yep. And the runner is still running. The runner is still running. Dude, oh, look at this shit go. This runner is up $100. On the account, I'm up 460. So if this hits way up there, we're solid, bruh. Buyers are still here. They're increasing. So let's see some more follow through. 42,220. 4220. Fuck, I don't know why I keep repeating it. Look at this go, bro. Look at this pop. $217. Yeah, I think so. The way volume is coming up and increasing, I think we could see some more push. I think I could see it push. And if you guys see on the book map right here on the left side, this is a very hot level as of right now. So we can definitely go up there and grab these orders. We got buyers coming in at the bid. You could either push it up or these can get filled, and we'll see what reaction we get there. Let's go. And you got the dub on Fortnite. Let's go. But when you zoom out to at least the 30-minute, we are in a resistance level here on the 30. So we have to definitely push through and hold. So that's why, again, like if you're still in this with more than just like runners, then this is where you got to ask yourself, like, do you take profits here? Do you get out entirely? Or do you de-risk by moving your stop loss up? Manage your risk. Up 300. Let's go, bro. It's gonna be my final TP is gonna be 4,229 and 7, and all that is this daily fair value gap. So I'm betting, or I'm targeting that level because it'll fill the daily fair value gap. Because at that point, if it fills it, we could see a reaction and just completely reverse on us. But right now, that's what I'm targeting, and where I'm at here on the trade is break even or TP. Either or, I'm fine. I took my partials. I'm up. I'm chilling. Stress free, bro. Limit edged. So we gotta see some push, and we need to see it push. Look at it go. Come on now. We got the candle closure above, so I definitely want to see that level to be respected and keep going up. If it fails, then so be it. But like again, we are in profit. We're chilling. Okay, guys, it's 8 o'clock here with me, so I gotta get going. But that was the trade. I'm glad you guys banked, and please post in profits. Share this banger. Banger, banger, banger. Heck yeah. Koobs, you there? Heck yeah. That's the biggest win right there. Getting Dang to break even. That's funny. I appreciate you guys. Fortnite. Yeah. Heck yeah. I appreciate you guys. And this is dope, dude, trading with you guys. But hopefully we can catch these a lot sooner than taking 6 hours to do so. So I'll eat dinner. I don't know. I'll eat dinner, got a shower, things like that. So I'll see. But for right now, this is a very solid win for right now. Let's see some more structure build. No. If anything, go like my YouTube. By the way, yeah, again, if you guys are just popping in, this session was recorded on my YouTube, and I streamed it on YouTube so it can stay on my account. So you guys can check that out if you guys want. But oh yeah, everything, guys, everything. So all right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Again, it's either break even stop loss or TP, either or. I'm not messing with this. I'll catch you guys. See you, Coops.